country. Today we have with us Terry Thompson, who has a new book called A New Strategy for the War on Cancer. Thanks for joining us, Terry.
Thank you for having me.
This is something that hits so close to home for you. This cancer took your first grandchild, your wife, and your two brothers. So you've been through a lot, and now you have this book where you're hoping to help others and you have a strategy. Tell us, first of all, your story.
Well, in 1998, we were looking forward to our first grandchild, of course, like any new grandparents do. And he was born with leukemia. Rushed to the Children's Hospital here in Little Rock and spent 30 days in the hospital with wires and tubes and everything, and then he died after 30 days. 3 months later, my wife, Connie, was diagnosed with breast cancer. And after 3 years of conventional treatment, chemo, radiation, surgery, everything that you can throw at cancer, she passed away. During that time, we got local treatment. We went to MD Anderson for some clinical trials, and ended up, out of desperation, going to Mexico for some alternative treatments. It was too late by that time. So out of that experience, I was just determined to research into what America is doing in its cancer treatment, and found a lot of interesting research there, and determined from all that we've got to be doing something different. We declared a war as a nation on cancer in 1971, have spent $200 billion on it, and we still don't have much of a smaller survival rate than we did back in 1971.
Such a tragic story, Terry, but you're taking it to help others, for the good of others. So tell us about this book. What have you found? Without giving it away, what have you found that you can tell our viewers?
Well, what I believe is that the future of cancer treatment has to be integrative cancer treatment, or integrative oncology. This is not to replace conventional treatment of chemo, radiation, and surgery, but to integrate with it natural treatments. There's a whole host of natural treatments that can enhance conventional treatment, reduce significantly the awful side effects, and we found proof that it is actually extending survivability of cancer patients. So it's practiced by leading oncologists, certified oncologists across America, and it is proving to be very effective. There's one problem. Hardly anybody knows about it.
Really?
It's being worked in the medical community. It's very slow to be introduced into mainstream medicine, and we still have people being diagnosed with cancer every day. 1,500 of them are dying a day, and they don't know what to ask. They don't know about this, and this is the purpose of the book. This was the only way I knew to get the word out there about integrative oncology. You see magazine articles and things on it. Most of the writing about it is within the medical community. This is the first book, as far as I know, that's written in plain language for the public, to help them to understand what their options are when they get cancer and what to ask.
A new war, or a new strategy for the war on cancer. We're out of time, but quickly, 3 to 5 today, you have a book signing?
Yes, at Wordsworth Bookstore, 3 to 5 this afternoon. I'll be going there right after this, and we'd like to see everybody there. You can also get it on all the websites, all the book sale websites, and it comes out actually officially in January in the bookstores.
And we will put the info on ArkansasMatters.com so you can attend the book signing. Thank you so much. A great story you have, making a difference.